Okay, so I'm doing sort of a. I'm gonna put the carburetor box back on and start this mini bike. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I have all the parts here that I need: air filter, thing to hold the air filter on, a 5/16 socket, and a 10mm socket. This is an adapter on it, but I don't need that. I need 10mm. Do this one-handed. So. Okay, that's good. I just need to take these bolts. Take these bolts off. I can. Yep, there you go, that one. Got that one. I just bolted it. I just bolted the carburetor onto it. Just bolted the carburetor onto the engine, started it. So I'm gonna carburetor back on, start it. So, because it's having issues right now. I'm gonna see if it's either the gasoline or the spark plug. It's probably the spark plug, maybe, because I don't have the right spark plug in it for right now. I have to get another one, but I can't get another one right now, so it'll just have to wait. And this is being filmed by Nexus 5. I have to sit down. I already was sitting down, but I was on my knees. So let's put that bolt on. Let's put this other bolt on. And this, people say the Nexus 5 doesn't have a good camera. Well, I have a photo that I took with this exact camera, and oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I don't know why people are hating on this camera. This camera's good. As long as you don't compare anything to anything, you're okay. But if you start comparing, like, say you compare the Xbox One to an Xbox 360, you know that an Xbox One is going to be better. But if you don't compare them, and you never saw an Xbox One, you're going to think your Xbox 360 is just fine. Same with phones and stuff like that. Once you start looking at good phones and comparing your phone to another good phone that's better than yours, your phone ultimately is crap. That's just how your mind interprets it. You think, oh, that one's faster, and then it's going to feel like yours is getting slow. So that happened to me. That's why I have this LG Nexus 5, and it should not slow down for a while. And I have not compared it, so it is blazing fast. And I never will compare it to anything, because I know it's just as good as the other phones out there. It's got a Snapdragon 800. My other phone had a Snapdragon 410, so yeah. People say, oh, the LG Nexus 5 is not good, blah, blah, blah. Good for me. All I need. All I need is a fast phone and a good camera that was better than the one before it. Better than the phone's camera that I had before it. So let's just start this thing up. Put the air filter back on. Air filter box back on. I already put the air filter in. The screw is very long. It takes forever. Okay. I probably should have put that on, but oh well, I don't need that. It's just a little clip to hold the fuel line on. I don't need it now. I'm not going to catch on fire. Hang on, let me go put these tools up real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Didn't take me that long. Okay. So this thing is pretty loud. The other video I put up, I don't know if it got uploaded or not, but I put I'll see if I can get it up. But I put me revving engine, but I don't know what happened to it, but it got louder for some reason. Let's see if we can start it up real quick. I might need to use the throttle and start up, so I may need to have to use two hands for this. So if it doesn't start up, I think it will. Need the handle brake. Almost did. can hear it backfire a little bit. Well, I can. It doesn't like going full choke. It doesn't like it. But I like that. Bye.